attracts the eyes, but a good personality attracts the heart. With this inspiring thought and a moral topic that is personality development, we, the students of grade 7th B, welcomes you to our morning assembly. Prayer is the way to connect your soul with the Almighty. So here comes Samya for the prayer.
Good morning, all of you. Join hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the morning, praise Him when the noontime, praise Him, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him, love Him, love the morning, love Him when the noontime, love Him, love Him. Love Him when the sun goes down. Trust Him, trust Him. Trust Him when the morning, trust Him when the noontime. Trust Him, trust Him. Trust Him when the sun goes down. Trust Him when the sun goes down. Trust Him when the sun goes down.
The pledge was born out of a love of the flesh. So here comes Riya Mehra for the pledge.
Good morning all of you. My name is Riya Mehra and please take a petition for the pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich and very heritage. I shall always serve to be worthy of it. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Vision and determination together can take you to your goal. So here is Garvita Pathak with the vision.
Good morning. Vision of this school is to inculcate moral and ethical values among students along with academic excellence and all around qualitative development with practical knowledge, deep-rooted value system by providing modern and contemporary education to serve for the large cause of society and nation. Thank you.
To increase your vocabulary with two new words, here comes Himakshi Upadhyay.
Good morning all of you. My name is Himakshi Upadhyay of grade 7B. Today I am here to tell two new words. The first word is bargain. Yes. The meaning of the bargain yes is to pay something less than usual. Second is ameliorate. Ameliorate means to make something better. Thank you.
A good thought can inspire you throughout the day. So here comes Monica Negi for our thought.
Good morning. Today's thought is personal development is a major time saver. The better you become, the less time it takes you to achieve your goal. I would like to repeat my thought. Personal development is a major time saver. The better you become, the less time it takes you to achieve your goal. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Here comes Hidyanshi Ziopa with a melodious poem.
Good morning everyone. My name is Hidyanshi Ziopa, studying grade 7th B. Today I am going to recite a poem on personality development. So here I begin. There is no magic stardust falling from the sky. I am not going to grow wings, my heart can't learn to fly. But this transformation I am making is going to take some time. But if I try my hardest, I can create a whole new life. Thank you.
To guide you and to tell you more about our today's theme, that is personality development, here comes our class teacher, Miss Maya Gurani ma'am, with an inspiring speech.
A lovely good morning to all of you. I, Maya Gurani, the class teacher of 7B, here with the theme of personality development. Personality development has become an important tool for developing overall skill of a person that help him to develop the professionally and as well as personally. A great personality includes the knowing how to dress well, grooming and interpersonal skill. So these skills are very important for day-to-day life. Everyone likes to interact with a person having attractive personality. To most of the people, they believe that these skills are inborn or cannot be developed. How hard you try, but this is only the baseless. It is because with the help of good training, a child or an adult can learn good communication skill, a good vocabulary, and a computer operating. That is the important part of personality development. So the student, teacher is the one who can develop a personality in one. The definition of the personality is differ from person to person. Some of the people, they think that the personality is all about the physical appearance and nothing to do with the other skills. And according to them, the person who is well built or wearing a good dress, he or she has a good personality, it is said. But it is not a rational approach. The personality is not all about the looks and beauty. In case the inner personality is weak, so he or she will lose its impact on others. So students, the personality development is overall very important. It is because if you need a job, so influencing personality is needed. If you have influence personality, so you can impress your interviewer by personally or professionally. Or if you are a businessman, so it is very much needed a good personality. It is because to impress your client by your behavior to believe in you. These days, there are so many schools, the good schools, they are careful about the personality development of the students. Thank you.
Our national anthem is the honor of our country.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविण उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तब जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे